It's important to note the differences between the bracket assemblies on your shades, as the shades will be installed slightly different. If you receive a shade with Type B brackets, the box will contain an assembled shade with the battery tray located inside the drive, a left bracket assembly, and right bracket assembly with idler that looks like this. You are now ready to mount your brackets and install your shade. For outside mount above trim configurations, your shade will come with spacer blocks. Replace the right shade bracket onto the right mounting bracket by aligning the grooves and slide back into place. Engage the idler end of the shade over the idler axle on the right shade bracket. You will hear a click once in place. Engage the left shade bracket with the left mounting bracket by aligning the grooves and slide back into place. To prepare your Type A brackets for install, push up on the release tab on the left shade bracket. Then slide the left shade bracket forward and press in the release tab to separate the left shade bracket from the left mounting bracket. Push up on the release tab and slide forward to remove the right shade bracket from the right mounting bracket. Replace the right shade bracket onto the right mounting bracket by aligning the inner grooves and slide into place. With the assembled shade, for proper install, you will need to angle the shade at least 30 degrees horizontally. Press the idler into the top of the socket of the right mounting bracket. Lightly pull down on the end of the shade and allow the shade to seat into the pocket. Engage the left shade bracket with the left mounting bracket by aligning the grooves and slide back into place. Once your shade has been successfully installed, you will need to set your shade limits one of the following ways. For a standalone application, you will need to set your shade limits using a Pico wireless control. With the Caséta system, you can set your shade limits in the Lutron app.